to Nina's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of French recipe, we're going to cook Jajangmyeon or Korean black bean sauce noodles. Since this is the Korean dish, I have invited Jisoo or Jennifer, my friend.
Thank you for inviting me.
No, thank you for being here because I want her to show us the traditional way how to cook this dish. There are two main ingredients in this recipe. First, noodles. You can use Korean udon or Shanghai noodles. Second, chunjang, Korean black bean paste. You can use the original one or you can use the pre-roasted one. And the rest of the ingredients are what you normally have at home. First, we're going to cut all the vegetables and meat into little cubes and marinate our meat. Now it's cooking time. We're going to show you how to cook the regular chunjang. Roasted chunjang paste for 3 to 4 minutes. I keep stirring at the bottom because I don't want it to stick to the bottom and I don't want it to get burned. This is to cut the saltiness and to have the roasted flavor. Scoop out the black bean paste and set it aside. If you get the pre-roasted black bean paste, skip this step. Adding pork and turn up the heat to be medium-high. Stir until the pork is half cooked. Add onion and stir a couple more minutes to get the sweetness out of the onion. Now it's time to add all the vegetable.
Yes.
Stir about 1 to 2 minutes to make sure that the oil get into the vegetable. Add 1 can of chicken broth. Add back the roasted black bean paste and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it together and make sure that the black bean paste get dissolved. After we bring it to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat to simmer for about 10 minutes. Here is after 10 minutes of simmering. Why don't we test it first?
Sure.
Okay. This is mine and this is yours.
It's delicious.
Oh, good. It's very good.
Just add cornstarch next step.
Okay. Combine 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Add it little by little and make sure that you stir it all the time. I think this is perfect. What do you think?
It looks great.
Okay.
I can't wait to taste.
You can cook noodles per the instruction on the package. I tried all 3 kinds of noodles. I like the Korean and the Shanghai noodles. The udon one is a little bit too thick for me, but if you like it, please go ahead. It's time to put it together now. I add a little bit of chili powder on my dish. To me, a little bit spicier make it tastier. And Jennifer show us how to mix it in Korean style. Wow, it looks so delicious. This is a comfort food. You should taste the saltiness from the black bean sauce and a tiny sweet just to blend it together.
That is so good.
Welcome. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you like it. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.